Welcome back to another DIY video. Today we're going to be working with Dollar Tree glassware. So that means everything in this video is only going to cost you $1. So let's get started. So here's some of the glassware that I chose and that I normally just pick up to work with. They have so many different options, so many different shapes and sizes of glassware in there, and again, only $1, so perfect. I just taped off whatever design I wanted to do for these. You can tape it in any pattern, any kind of way you want. This is a vase that I'm working with that I taped off as well, and everything is just going to get sprayed down with some spray paint and whatever color you desire, like whatever color you choose to do. You can do so much with these. So for this first vase, I also picked up this decorative rope here from the Dollar Tree. Every time they have this in stock, I try to buy it because it sells out really quickly, and it's a long piece that they give you for just $1, and you can do so many different crafts with this. So I'm just gonna hot glue it to the bottom of this vase, and that's it. So here's how those pieces turned out. I chose to use these smaller glass pieces in the bathroom for some extra storage for little cutesy things like cotton balls. And I really love how this vase turned out. I just stuck some greenery in there, and it just sits on my dining room table. I can use it anywhere in the house. I think it's so cute. So these next few pieces, I had so much fun doing. I'm doing like a marbling effect on them. Again, using some Dollar Tree items. You can actually get this nail polish at the dollar store, and I also got this little plastic bucket or this large bowl from the dollar store as well. But after spray painting them white and taping them off and then spray painting them, I'm just gonna quickly dip them into this nail polish. But you have to pour the nail polish fairly quick when you're doing this effect, because once it hits the water, it tends to dry kind of fast. So you just drop the nail polish in. You can again choose any color that you want. Wait for it to spread out a little bit, and you can also manipulate the design by taking a toothpick and kind of spreading it yourself until you get the pattern that you want. And then you're just going to slowly dip your item into the water. Once it has completely dried, which it doesn't take long to do, you want to seal it with some Mod Podge. That way the paint is secure on there and it can withstand having like water inside or whatever else you want to do with this item. going to be using these to place my makeup brushes in. So I got these clear gems from the dollar store as well. And I'm just going to like stick my brushes in and have them sitting straight up. And this is how everything turned out. This is the vase that I have in my vanity. I absolutely love the way this set looks. And then you're going to see how I have my brushes standing up as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. There, I said it.